Today, we will discover what mythological characters did to have fun. What were their hobbies?
We know about the usuals like dance and music, be it Shiva as Nataraj in Indian mythology or Apollo in Greek mythology. But were there any other hobbies which are prevalent even in the modern times?
Oh, there are a plethora of them. Let us start with travel, a hobby that has gained immense popularity in the recent past. In Norse mythology, one of their main gods is Odin. He is consumed by the fire to travel throughout the cosmos. He has a thirst of knowledge, to know the unknown. And to achieve this, he often travels, meets other beings, and brings back their stories, culture, and wisdom. To quench his thirst for knowledge, not only did he travel, but also sacrificed his eye and his life to gain knowledge from Mimir's well, supposedly a repository of all things that has happened, is happening, and shall happen.
For the next hobby, let us explore gardening. In Greek mythology, garden of Hesperides was Hera's orchard. Each tree in the grove bore immortality giving golden apples. The apple tree grew from the branches that Gaia, goddess of the earth, gave to Hera when she accepted Zeus as her husband. The orchard was guarded by a 100-headed dragon named Ladon to prevent anyone from stealing the apples. However, the goddess of discord, Eris, managed to enter the garden and pluck an apple from a tree. She inscribed to the most beautiful and rolled it into a wedding to which she was not invited. And this act was what caused the Trojan Wars.
Finally, we come to weaving. We know about the story of Athena, the goddess of wisdom, warfare, and handicrafts, challenging Arachne, a lady from Lydia, which is modern day Turkey, for a weaving competition. Both of them were so adept at weaving that their tapestries looked lifelike. However, this audacity also enraged the goddess, who in turn turned Arachne into a spider, the first spider. And this is why the fear of spiders is also known as arachnophobia. For greater details, please visit our page, tune into season 2, watch the episode on arachnophobia.
And if you think that any hobby that you can come across is new, think again. You just need to look hard enough to find the parallels in mythology.
The more we delve into mythology, the more all encompassing it seems. Almost like Mimir's well, a repository which covers everything that has happened, is happening, and shall happen.
Namodayam Eva Satyam.